I'm currently standing outside RML Hospital where mock drill practice is going on. As you can see behind me, one ambulance has just now arrived with the patients. In the mock drill, the patients who will arrive at the hospital will be first triaged. They will be identified and categorized under 4 categories: green, red, yellow and black.
रेड जोन करो, रेड जोन गाड़ी।
What all has happened today? How many patients have?
Well, today we had declared 4 yellow at around the third bit before 4, and everyone was expected to be here within 5 minutes. That means all the emergency teams needed to be here before 4 o'clock. So the patients started arriving at 4. They came in 7 ambulances. There were 21 patients, and they were brought in on stretchers, and 21 stretchers, and then they were brought to the emergency zone, and they're assessed over here. And patients were, depending upon how bad their situation was, they were stabilized, and if it was felt that they needed further critical care management, they were sent to the red zone, and patients who did not require critical care management, they were kept in the yellow zone. So triaging was done here, and patients whom we feel that they can be sent back in, they don't have any significant injury or trauma, so those patients they can be sent back in. So that was the plan.
What about the regular patients who have been coming here? Like, what about them? Like, for example, that patient, is this thing not impacting the patient care?
Well, it's not impacting because patients who were here before, they were being treated by a team which is placed here 24/7. So whenever you have a code yellow, whenever you have a code yellow, a different set of doctors and sisters are called because so that the existing patients are not affected. So that's what this type of plan is. So depending on the number of patients, we call in certainly more doctors and sisters, and they know from before that they're called, they have to come. Yeah.
Apart from hospitals, mock drills are taking place in different parts and different regions of country right now. Around 244 regions have been selected where mock drills have happened. This is Manisha Mandal reporting for The Print.